हेलो लर्नर्स, अभी अभी हमने कोलिनियर वाला कॉन्सेप्ट सीखा है और किस केस में ट्रायंगल फॉर्म होगा वो कंडीशन हमने देखी थी। तो इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, हमें 3 पॉइंट दिए गए हैं और हमें पूछा है डू दे फॉर्म अ ट्रायंगल? इफ सो नेम द टाइप ऑफ ट्रायंगल फॉर्म्ड। तो सबसे पहले मैंने आपको बताया है, आपके पास अगर 3 वर्टिसेस हैं, 3 पॉइंट्स हैं, तो आप 3 डिस्टेंस निकाल लोगे। सो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द पॉइंट ए एंड बी। यूज द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ए एंड बी। सो 3 plus 2, because negative of negative 2 will become positive of 2. So 3 plus 2 whole square plus 2 plus 3 whole square, it is going to 5 square plus 5 square, that is 25. So we will get root of 50. Similarly, you will find out the distance between B and C. Okay, the distance between B and C. So 2 plus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 3 whole square. So it is going to be 6 square, that is 36, and 4 square, that is 16. Yes, 16 plus 36 will be very good. Root 52. Okay, now we will find out the distance between A and C. Use again the distance formula A and C. So 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square, it is going to be root 2. Very good. Now, now see which condition is fulfilled over here. The sum of two distances is equals to the third distance. The sum of two smaller distances is equal to the third distance. No, it means the points are not going to be collinear. Then which condition is satisfied over here? Yes, these distances will form a triangle because the sum of two smaller distances, that is root 2 plus root 50, is greater than root 52. Yes. Now the question arises, which type of triangle they are going to form? All the distances are of unequal length. It means it is a scalene type of triangle. Now, are they satisfying the Pythagoras theorem? If yes, then this triangle will be considered as right angle triangle. तो हमें क्या करना है? Pythagoras theorem हमें पता है, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. अब मैम हम इसमें किसको hypotenuse माने, किसको perpendicular? As you know, the largest side, the hypotenuse is the largest side of a right angle triangle. तो इसमें सबसे बड़ी side को हम क्या मान लेंगे? Hypotenuse. So root 52 square will be equals to root 50 square plus root 2 square. Yes or no? Yes, 52 is equals to 50 plus 2, that is 52 is equals to 52. It means they are satisfying the Pythagoras theorem. It means which type of triangle it is? Yes, it is a right angled triangle. It is a right angled triangle.